Hey everybody, it's Al Pugliese Trains. It's an awful hot day today, so it's not fall time. I wish it was the fall, but it is fall every day at Bill Garvin's HO Scale layout. And this is a beautiful layout Bill hired me to help complete fall theme. And you can see it on my channel. Go to Al Pugliese Trains, the channel you're on now. Go to my playlist, click on Layout Visits, and under layout visits, there's about 4 different videos of Bill Garvin this layout. But I'll give you a little treat today. We're going to run a Reading consolidation that is from the Howard Zane collection that he sold Bill. And we're just going to take it through some fall scenery so that we can all cool down on a 98-degree summer day. So enjoy a little trip in this beautiful brass consolidation. Well, it's a beautiful fall day, and the Hotel Scarlet guests are waking up, and it's a great hotel for those folks that want to do rail fanning and watch trains. And we hear a steam locomotive somewhere, but let's go look for it. Folks, she's in a tunnel underneath this beautiful hotel. Well, let's catch her as she comes out. Here she comes. Running through this beautiful fall scenery. This locomotive was from the Howard Zane collection that Bill purchased from Howard, and it was professionally weathered, and it has the graphite weathering on the boiler and DCC flickering firebox, sound, cab lighting, the whole 9 yards. Beautiful locomotive. Let's go catch it. These folks that just got married are going to get a rude awakening here, but he's not going to blow his horn in respect for the newlywed couple. As the train comes by on its way through the town. Beautiful little locomotive. Those folks have a front row seat to Mainline greatness. I couldn't imagine growing up in a better place. Beautiful scenery on Bill's layout. Here she comes. In the distance, picking up a little bit of speed. Through this beautiful rock cut here. Heading over to Viaduct. What a scene. Heading past the hotel on the opposite side. On her way into the yard where the freight would be dropped and declassified. Or classified, I might add. She's on the back side here. Garvin and Sons Metal Works as she heads into the yard. Folks, thanks for watching, and there's a lot of video on this layout that I worked on with Bill. If I can help you with your layout, contact me at alpug1@verizon.net, and like I said at the beginning of the video, if you want to see more of this layout, go to my playlist and go to Layout Visits, Bill Garvin's Model Railroad. Thanks so much for watching. Give you a little bit of fall taste to get out of the heat.